Looks good, man. Shop everything audio at 12 Volt Beyond, link in the description, and use discount code JacobViral to save. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's up, man?
Last time you seen me, I had a 2000 watt on it.
Oh, yeah. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Kody from Coastal Trees. And,
Okay.
I got Scar 12s.
Yep.
Terra amp, 5K, 1000 watt RMS for the highs and everything.
All right. Did you do the amp rack?
Yeah.
Nice work. Looks good. And how is it doing on the meter wise, do you know?
Burping about 146 and a half, maybe
Okay.
147.
Yeah.
On constant music, 145 flat.
Okay. Can I see the
Hot
back?
here.
Oh yeah, it gets a little hot. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah, cool.
Nice. Looks good, man. Are those 6-inch ports? Two? Eights?
If I'm not mistaken.
Are they 8s or 6s? 6. Are they one chamber or two chambers?
It's a common chamber.
Common chamber, okay. For 212s though, man. Nice job, man. Thanks for the demo. Nice meeting you again, man. All right.
They said it need help. Well, I got big back. But it don't always, so we can't fix that. I'm such nice, she mad at me. So she come on, we forget that. Next time you bring me up, just make sure you stay big back. Tell the truth.
Wow, dude, yeah, man, an improvement.
I
Bro,
went,
you're
I went
12s
from
too.
1700 watts to 3200 watts with
Yeah,
that Terra.
almost double. Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.